Hello my dear students, myself Rajkumar Kalia, your favorite tutor at YouTube. Solving the sums, solving the concepts which I feel the way is the simplest. I am trying to make the subject easy, simple. And it's all with your what I can say appreciation. You are sending me the subscriptions, liking my videos. So it's my request to keep on doing this at the same rate. And I will keep on solving the sums, keep on solving the concepts in the easy way. Today, I am going to teach you differentiation of the function of a function. Differentiation of the function of a function. It means function then again next function. We also call it as composite functions, means function of minimum two functions, maybe three. We also call it as a chain rule. So there are two ways to solve it. One is by substitution, which I feel avoid it. I will explain both the concepts in the first sem. Then whatsoever you feel easy, you can go with that. I will prefer without substitution. I will advise you people to go without substitution, but all it's your wish. See, the first sum is differentiate y equals a root of x square plus 2x plus 3. We want to differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiate it with respect to x. One way is we will put x square plus 2x plus 3 as u. Differentiate two x plus 2, x square as 2x, 2x has only 2, for x it is 1, for 3 it is 0, equals du. So if we will write differentiate with respect to x, we will put du by dx. Differentiate with respect to x, we will get 2x plus 2, for 3 constant 0, du by dx. Now what we will do, we will put it here. Y equals, for this function, for this part we will write u, then root. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx. It's like x root. Differential of x root is 1 by 2 root x. We know this identity. Differential of x root is 1 by 2 root x. Here it is u root. So 1 by 2 root u. Because it is u, we are differentiating with respect to x. We have to put du by dx. dy by dx. put the value of u x square plus 2x plus 3. Then put the value of du by dx 2x plus 2. dy by dx equals 2 common x plus 1 2 root of x square plus 2x plus 3. Cancel 2 2. So we will get dy by dx equals x plus 1 and root of x square plus 2x plus 3, which is the answer. This is the one way to solve it. By substitution, put it equals u, then differentiate, then put the value of the substituted part, differentiate it, then again put the values. One more way which I want. See, the method which I want is, see it carefully. After 1-2 sums you will feel it easy. It's y equals x square plus 2x plus 3. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx. Differentiate it like root x. We know d dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Take this whole as x, assume it as x in your mind, and differentiate. 1 by 2 root of x square plus 2x plus 3. As it is not x, go for the d dx of this part. If here it is x root only, then it is over. Because x is not there, go for the d dx of that part. See once again the concept, so simple is the concept. Differentiate it, assuming it as x. Differentiate it, assuming it as a x. It will come out to be x root. So dy by dx of x root will be 1 by x root. For x we are having x square plus 2x plus 3. Put that. Because it is not x, go for its d dx. So that will give you the answer. 1 by 2 root of x square plus 2x plus 3, its d dx. 2x plus 2 for 3 it will be 0. Take out 2 common and cancel it. So by taking 2 common and cancelling, we will get x plus 1 equals root of x square plus 2x plus 3. So like that you can do it. See once again, assume this part as u, or instead of u you let it be x. So we will get it as root x. Differential of root x is 1 by 2 root x. But actually it is not x, therefore go for d dx of this part. So after differentiating, just solve it. So I prefer the second method. See this, I think I have not logged on the camera. Differentiate e power minus 2x plus 3 by x. How we will do it? Let y equals e power minus 2x plus 3 by x. Differentiating dy by dx equals e power, take it as x, e power x as e power x. Because it is not x, so d dx of this part. Then 3, 1 by x. We know the identity of differential of 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x square. E power minus 2x, then d dx of minus 2x is 2 minus 3 by x square. So thus it is minus 2 e power minus 2x minus 3 by x square. We also call it as differential of a function is differentiate it as usual, multiply by the coefficient of x. See here, after differentiation we are getting e power minus 2x multiplied by the coefficient of x. That is minus 2. Coefficient of x minus 2. So like that you can also learn it. It's quite simple. If it is not x, you have to go on differentiating. Differentiate with respect to x sine square 4x minus 5. Let y equals sine square 4x minus 5. Differentiating dy by dx. Take it as x, it's like x power 2. Take out power, subtract 1 from the power, that is 2 minus 1, 1, 4x minus 5. Take out power, subtract 1 from the power, d dx without power, that is d dx of this part, because it is not x, it's not x square, where we can take out power, subtract 1 from the power. It's a trigonometric function. Take out power, subtract 1 from the power, because it is not x, go for d dx of sine 4x minus 5 equals 2 sine 4x minus 5 d dx of sine x cos 4x minus 5. Now see again, this part is not x, d dx of this part. If you will go it with substitution, you have to go for twice. So instead of learning that method, learn this method. Take out power, subtract 1 from the power, d dx without power, then again it is not x, so d dx of 4x minus 5. So like that you have to solve it. So which will come out to be 2 sine 4x minus 5 cos 4x minus 5, its d dx will come out to be 4 for x1 for 5 0. So thus it will be 8 sine 4x minus 5 cos 4x minus 5. So like that you can put the answer. Here directly I have gone for d dx of sin x. Better I should have written here d dx of a sin x and cos x. What I am telling you is, here directly I have written cos x. I should have written here d dx of sin 4x minus 5. Then 2 sin x cos x d dx of sin, that is cos 5x. Then here instead of directly 4, I should have put d dx of 4x minus 5 means I want to increase one line. So thus we'll get 2 sine 4x minus 5 cos 4x minus 5, its ddx as 4. For 5 it will come out to be 0. So then in the next line write down 8 sine 4x minus 5 into cos 4x minus 5. So that will be the answer. Differentiate with respect to x. Log secant x plus tan x. Let y equals log of secant x plus tan x, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx log x 1 over secant x plus tan x. For x, I am considering secant x plus tan x. So ddx of log x is 1 by x. As it is not x, therefore ddx of this part secant x plus tan x dy by dx 1 over secant x plus tan x, then its differential ddx of secant x tan x ddx of tan x secant square x. As usual, we know the differentiation of secant x plus tan x equals 1 over secant x plus tan x. Secant x we can take out. We are with tan x plus secant x. So tan x plus secant x we can cancel. So we are only with secant x. So that will be the answer. See how simple it is if you will do it without substituting. If you will go for substitution, it will come out to be tough. Now see, differentiate with respect to x. Log root of sine root xy. Let y equals log root of sine root x. Dy by dx, differential of log x, 1 by x. We know differential of log x is 1 by log x. As it is not x, ddx of this part. As it is not x, ddx of this part. Right? Equals 1 by sine root x, then whole root, ddx of this part, root x, ddx of a root x. We know 1 by 2 root x. Differential of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root sine root x. Now as it is not x, under the root, ddx of a sine root x equals 1 by 2 sine of root x under root sine of root x. So thus it will come out to be, root we can cancel, sine root x. This root we can cancel. ddx of sine, cos of root x. Now it's not x, ddx of root x. If you will do this sum by substitution, how many substitutions you will do? So better go in this way. Equals 1 by 2 sine x root cos x root ddx of x, 1 by 2 root x. So overall we will get 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 cos root x and sine root x, cot root x, 1 by 4 cot root x, and root x is there, 1 by root x. That will be the answer.